If you want to change your age on Tinder, there's only a couple options for you. If you are on Tinder and you signed up using your phone number option down here at the bottom, it asked you for your age, birth date originally, so you won't be able to change that if you've already locked that in and started your account. Your only option there if you've signed up with a phone number is to delete your account, sign up with a different phone number, or to sign up using a Facebook login instead. So you can sign up with Google or Facebook there. If you signed up with Facebook using Tinder, you can also sign up with Google too. It would be a similar thing. You have to go onto Facebook and change your birth date there, and then that will be reflected on Tinder. So if you lied about your age when you were signing up with Tinder, you want to change it to the correct age, or you want to lie and change it to a false age, which I wouldn't recommend. Be honest with people to like you more in the long run. You go onto Facebook and change your age there. So how you do that, we're going to go onto Facebook. You're going to click on your profile image up top, and then you can either click on the gear or the one that says settings on there. And so in there's one that says personal data. Click on that. You're going to click on personal details a little bit down there, and then you'll see one that says birth date. So this one you actually can change. You can click edit on there, and then you can click the X there, and you can set your birthday to whatever it actually is. Go through the settings, set up your birthday, and then click set. So that's one way you can change your age on Tinder if you want to change that. One other option you have, if you're stuck with your Tinder account, you don't want to delete it because you signed up with your phone number, but you do want to indicate that you don't have the correct age on there, is you can put it in your bio, in your description on Tinder. So you might have said, actually, I'm 30 instead of 25, or whatever your age is. If you want to keep that account and you want to indicate that you have a different age, it's not ideal and it's not totally truthful. People will also know that you put the false age when you signed up. So however you want to position that, that's your call. If you logged in with your phone number originally, set it, you can't change it there. It's kind of locked for privacy. It just makes the app more trustworthy too. If someone's going on to Tinder, they want to date a 30-year-old, you're 50 and you say you're 35, that's kind of scary. You don't want to do that to people. The app has a reputation to uphold too. They got to have people liking the app, using it, trusting it, etc. Hope that video was helpful for you. If you liked it, give us a like and subscribe to our channel. And good luck with the Tinder dating. I recommend being honest.